Today we'll show you how to translate a page in Google. Okay, just follow these steps and don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. First, open your Google. Okay, and this is here. Okay, now we need to translate. This is all. Okay, just click with the right with your mouse and go here to translate to English, to French, to German, to Dutch, to Spanish. You can. Okay, just here now go to here to this 3 points and go here and choose another language like this and go here, and here you can choose your all language in your country like Arabic, Armenian, Armenian, Azerbaijan, Berber. Like you can choose any like Danish, like Czech, like Russian, like Dutch, like English, like French. You can this is a French. Okay, just now you need now to test with Arabic, like translate, and now everything with Arabic, guys. Okay, just don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.